What if I told you that you could make real money just by playing games on your phone? Sounds crazy? Well, in today's video, I'll break down exactly how Mistplay works and how you can maximize your earnings by playing the right way. Stay tuned because I'll also review the biggest mistakes that can get you banned and how to redeem your earnings quickly. Let's get started. So, what exactly is Mistplay? It is a reward-based gaming app that pays you for trying out and playing new mobile games. Sounds simple? Well, kind of. But there is a strategy for making the most money. Before we get into that, here are facts of Mistplay. 1. Available only on Android, not for iPhone users. 2. Earn points called units for playing games. 3. Redeem points for gift cards on Amazon, Google, or you can be paid through PayPal. Then 4. The more you play, the more you earn. Now, let's learn how to sign up on Mistplay. 1. Just download the Mistplay app from your Google Play Store. 2. Sign up with your Google or Facebook account. 3. Set up your profile and choose games to start playing. 4. Learn about the Mistplay reward system. We have units, that is the main points you earn. We have PXP, which is player experience points. It helps level up in specific games. Then we have GXP, game experience points, which boosts your earnings for each game. And now, to the exciting part of this video. Let's learn how to earn most on Mistplay. 1. Play high-paying games. Some games offer more points than others. So my advice is to choose wisely and play high-paying games. 2. Stick to one game longer. Bro, don't be too greedy and choose multiple games. You won't even be able to finish them. So just choose one, cause the more you level up, the higher your earnings. 3. Use strict bonuses. Log in daily to maximize your bonuses. 4. Refer friends. Earn extra rewards by inviting others to Mistplay. 5. The last one and the most important one. Don't use VPNs or hacks, cause this can get you banned. And once you have earned enough points, here's how to cash out and get your free gift cards. Open Mistplay, go to reward section and select gift card, either Amazon, Google Play, PayPal, etc. and expect payment within 48 hours. Mistplay is 100% legit. Before ending the video, I feel like repeating the do's and don'ts of Mistplay because they are very important. Let's start with the don'ts. Please, don't use VPNs or fake locations cause Mistplay detects this and bans accounts. Please, don't try multiple accounts. One account per person. Don't play for too short sessions. Longer gameplay, better earnings. Don't use third-party apps or hacks. Instant ban. Mistplay will ban you instantly. But rather do this. 1. Play games consistently. 2. Follow the terms of service. And 3. Cash out frequently. So, is Mistplay worth your time? Definitely yes, if you enjoy playing mobile games, because this is an easy way to earn free rewards without much effort. However, don't expect to get rich overnight. For casual gamers, Mistplay is perfect. But if you want to make more money online, check out my other videos on better paying side hustles. Before I end this video, I want to ask, have you tried Mistplay before? Drop a comment and let me know how much you've earned. Also, check out my next video on side hustles that pay even more.